Hello everybody, welcome back to Mariposa Makeup 13 and happy new year of 2024. We are excited to start this new beginning and let's see how it goes and everything. I have received the Ipsy package right on Sunday, right before January started and right before we got into this new beginning of new year, and I am so excited to open it up with you guys here. And I am nice and comfy because I found another spot to do my filming, and now I will be able to do the Ipsy unboxing with you. And right now we're gonna open up the Ipsy Glam bag, but first of all, let's see what is the theme. The theme for this month is Glow Your Soul, so this is it right here, and I am telling you it is glowing because I did my nice makeup and also did my nice hair, some curls over here and there, but definitely gives a change to the look. And basically for this month we get the Ipsy Glam bag and the Boxycharm. I think next month, if I'm not mistaken, we get the icon box, but let's see how that one goes because I think, if I'm not mistaken, there will be spoilers soon, so stay tuned for that. But now I don't know if I might be able to post something about it. We'll see how it goes because I'm gonna be quite busy doing some things here and there, but I'm always making time for you guys. So let's open up the Ipsy Glam bag, and it is such a cute packaging. Look at the beautiful glam bag. I always love the details, and this is so glowy, so beautiful, so perfect for the theme of January. And let's see what we got. So the first item right here is very fini, I think it's called, and this is an eye cream. Definitely always a must to have because we always need nice eye cream. And the next item will be, this is from YC collection, and this is an eyeliner. So this is how it looks, and it comes perfectly for the, like, you know, for like when you're blending out the smudgy, like you're smudging it out, right? And it's, I think it's a, yeah, it's a black eyeliner. So wow, it is really creamy. Like as soon as I apply it on my skin, it just glided so nicely. Let's see now the next item here. This is Toy Factory, and this is ultra set. This is mini translucent powder. So this has nice cinnamon, and I definitely have heard people actually excited for this, and I want to know what it's all about. But since I have my makeup done, I will have to let you guys know next time because it does look like a nice perfect amount, right? And it's definitely a must because I always use setting powder, so when I'm doing my makeup and the makeup stays put and stays there, and it does last longer when you have setting powder on because it goes like smoothly, right? And then the next item will be here. This is Eyeshadow Rose Gold, and this is like a cream eyeshadow. So it's definitely, this is DWNT Paris brand. I don't know who it is. Like, it's a new brand, that's why I'm saying I don't know who it is. It's a new brand to me, so hopefully I could try this one soon. And this right here is this Ran Clean Skincare, and I never tried anything from them, but I always wanted to. This is like a Glow Protect Serum, so this is basically something to give you nice glow. And look at the packaging, it is really nice, and I'm excited to try this one out because I am always into glow for the skin, to give it a nice healthy glow. And it's always basically with the skincare you use, it gives you a nice, even also depends how you take care of your daily life routine, like how you take care of your health and stuff, all that, it goes into your skincare as well, right? So I am excited for trying this out. And for right now, this is all for the Ipsy Glam bag. Now we're gonna open up the Boxycharm. So the, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but the Ipsy Glam bag has, yes, it has 5 deluxe samples, and the Boxycharm has, it's 5 full-size products. So here's the box. We're gonna open it up together and make a space here so I have everything very nice in hand, right? So we got a pamphlet. Sorry. This is Know Your Soul, and it's telling you basically all the details of the subscription and what you get inside, right? This is the power picks, and I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, member picks. There's a lot of details, a lot of good information for you to be trying this out and signing up for the subscription box. Oh, so the first item I have here is the Saturday Skin. This is Apple Peach, and this is Raise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. Oh my goodness, I really want to try a new cleanser, and this definitely comes in time. Look at that. It is really nice from what I've seen recently, and I'm excited that I got it in my Boxycharm. And the next item here, this is Feel. The brand is Feel, and this is Squalene facial oil. So let's open it up right here, and this is how it looks. Really nice. I definitely as well like facial oil, and I think it's nice to keep the skin nice and hydrated, like nice, and it goes really nice with everything else you use. And the next item here is this Instant Crush, and this is half cake, and these are, I think these are lip gloss. Yeah, these are lip gloss. So let me try and get them out here. The box is a little bit hard, but I will get them out. Ooh, these are really beautiful lip gloss. Just look at that. It's like has nice shimmers. Let me see if I could. It's like scented. And it smells really good as well. Let's try look at the other one, and I will just put it at the other side, but it is really nice. And they have names here. This one has like it's memorized, and this one is called Crystal Baller. So definitely nice to get lip gloss because I always love having lip gloss. Oh, there's an eyeshadow palette. This is from Ofra, and this is Signature Palette Looks. So let's see how this eyeshadow looks. This is it. And let me take out the, oh, nice, perfect, nothing broken. So this is how it looks. They look beautiful. So the middle one will be the highlighter, and the rest will be like, I think there's 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So a nice eyeshadow palette for creating a nice everyday look, right? That's perfect to have. So I think I opened, yeah. So I will be opening up my last product, and the last product from here in this package is Volume. This is Blow Dry Spray. So Instant Root Lift. This is for products brand. I also don't know this brand, but it's always nice to be trying different brands because that way you get to see if you like it after you purchase it and stuff like that. That's why I think beauty box are amazing, because you get to try so many different exciting brands, or even brands that you know and you'll be like, yes, I get this, I get that. You know, it's always so much fun, and it's the best way to start the year with opening a nice beauty box, right? So stay tuned guys for more, and I will be happy to bring you more content as soon as I can have more time. But thank you guys for watching and always being here for my support. Like and share, and leave in the comments if you have received any of these items. And remember, this Ipsy is gifted to me, kindly gifted, and I am always grateful to share with you guys all these lovely items so you guys could see an example of what you might get in your box, but it doesn't really is 100% that you're gonna get the same. So it might be a different variation, but it's always nice to see a nice unboxing. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.